If you want to avoid using your social in order to be able to get business funding, you're missing out on hundreds of thousands of dollars. You'll always be able to get the most amount of money once you personally guarantee. Personally guaranteeing simply means utilizing your social in order to be able to get business funding. Banks love this and will always be able to give you the most amount of money. Now, really what you need in order to be able to qualify is you need a 700 plus credit score across all three. I would honestly forget having a 680 because you want to be able to have 720 or higher. I wouldn't recommend for you to start off with a 680 because that's going to be the bare minimum. And really what you want to have is at least 2 to 3 personal credit cards that have 2 years or older with a $3,000 limit or more. And really what I'd recommend is for you to have 2 or 3 personal credit cards that have at least a $3,000 credit limit that's 2 years or older. That's going to give you guys the best chances because once you go on the business side, they'll double or triple those limits. And you definitely want to have no negative items at all and no late payments in the last 12 months, along with not having more than 4 hard inquiries within the last 6 months. This is going to be able to help you guys get the most amount of funding. And with this report, you'll be able to guarantee you can get $50,000 to $100,000 of business funding. Free school community. We're teaching all about how you guys can be able to go ahead and fix your credit, repair your credit, build your credit up. But don't worry, if you want a more in-depth guide, just comment school below and I'll send it right over to you.